Hi viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. I'm here. I just want to review my helicopter. This one is from Ichin. I ordered it in Banggood. As you can see, it's a little bit windy today, but I try to apply this one outside again. This one is the second review for hovering outside. So I show you. So this is the unit. So this one is the Ichin E120 high-speed helicopter, and this one is the remote. So I just want to show you the close-up of this one. So it says there high-speed helicopter Ichin 120. They copy the BO-105. Have you see the front? It's very detailed. So that's the light, and this one is the sensor. I put some protection for a lander gear. So that one is I cut some wire and I take care of the stranded wire there. I put some sticker there. That's mamba snake for a chains, and sticker there too, a very nice gold touch there, scheme. It says there it's a danger with light, but it's only props is not working, but the one in a very rear is working. That's the landing skid. It's, the tail rotors, it says there mamba, exhaust for the engine. So that's the linkage. They have 4 propellers. So that's the close-up look. They have individually linkage there. So that's the close-up of the very bottom, and I put some support too, so in case you crash it bad in anywhere, or you don't get any dings there. So this one is the shrink tube. You can see this one is mint condition. There's no any damage in propeller. So I apply it very carefully every time I apply. So let's do it. So I just gonna hover for 2 to 3 minutes, and I just gonna do it in a regular hovering in the middle. It's like 16 to 18 inches above the ground, and I just want to show you, even though it's a little bit windy, you can fly this one, but you need to be careful for flying. Don't put too high, or else it might lose this chopper. This one is very good for decoration. So if you put it in any place, it's very eye-catching. So let's put this one in the ground now and try to hover it. Okay, let's do it. And I show you first the remote control is here. They have a very toy grade basic transmitter. So this one is the throttle, and this one is the forward, backwards, side, left. That's the power. So that's the adjustment for trimming left and right. So let's put this one in a air. Hopefully this one it's fly positive, so they're not give us any problem. So let's see how this one's perform, and hopefully this one's behave because of the wind. It's like 7 miles per hour wind. This time I check it earlier, I just check it. So let's do it. So let's give this one a shot. So pull it up. So already put the power on. Put the chopper on too. Put it here. So bind it. So it's turn solid. So let's go apply it. We're just gonna do automatic take off. Press these buttons in right. This one is very twitchy. Forward, backward, right stick, going to the right, going to the left, going to the right, backward, because it's level up, so I never touch any stick there, fly by itself. Hopefully it's continuing that way, it's not gonna go crazy. One viewers is very short fly. My battery is about to die, but I fly this one inside my house earlier. This was only quick fly. You can see the air pushing in a side. That's why I push my throttle in going to left. Bouncing in the ground, start to be windy. Feel the wind starts blowing, that's why it runs very crazy. So let's do put it in the ground, landing it. The wind is so crazy all over the place. There's no any direction the wind, so let's landing it. Automatic landing again. There. bye. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. It's a very short review. I have a successful outdoor opening or flight. Thanks for watching.